Power screw, definition, applications, advantages and disadvantages. What is power screw? Now guys, you can see in the diagram that when the handle is rotated, the C clamp, it can move. So basically a mechanical device used for converting rotary motion into linear motion and transmitting power. So a power screw is a mechanical device. It converts rotary motion into linear motion and transmits power. There are several applications of power screw. You can see first one is the screw jack in the diagram. It raises the load or lowers the load. Or there can be lead screw of lathe in which the power screw is used to obtain the accurate motion in machining operations. To clamp a workpiece in a vise or a clamp, we had seen the diagram previously. And to load a specimen, for example, in universal testing machine. So in all these four examples, screw jack, lead screw of lathe, vise, C clamp, every universal testing machine, everywhere the power screw is used. Now, what are the advantages of power screw? It has a large load carrying capacity. You can see the dimensions of power screw are small because it has very less number of parts. Also, its design is very simple. Also, since the parts are less, so the manufacturing of power screw is also very simple. Now, mechanical advantage is basically the ratio of load to effort. So, if a load of 15 kilonewton has to be raised, then a very less effort of only 400 newton needs to be applied. So we can say that the powered screw has large mechanical advantage. It provides precisely controlled and highly accurate linear motion. So in C clamp, vise, or in machine vise, everywhere you can get precisely controlled linear motion. It gives smooth, noiseless operation without much maintenance. Less number of parts are there in the power screw, so it makes it more reliable and less costly. Reliability means it is going to function for a longer amount of time, and it is also very less costly. The disadvantages of power screw are that it has very low efficiency, as low as 40%. So less efficiency of power screw. Screw means there is going to be friction. So because of friction, the efficiency is less. High friction in threads causes wear and tear. So worn out threads would be a problem in power screw after some time. Thank you. Guys, if you have not liked or subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Keep liking the videos. I'll keep on sharing such informative videos with you.